You literally can do it, build steps into the wall, and get the hell out of that hole. You literally can do it. I know you can. And you are judging yourself, and you know that when you're 90 years old, on your deathbed, you're going to look back and you're going to be like, oh, I wish I took that opportunity. Oh, I wish I tried that. Oh, I wish I didn't listen to... Hi Gemini, this is CG from the Galactic Soul. I'm so excited to get to your reading today. But if you're new here, this channel is about spirituality, the universe, anything crazy like that. So definitely stick around, hit subscribe if you are into that. But as of today, we are going into a whole brand new crazy world. There were crazy glitches last week. But we are looking at the sign of Gemini for energy to see what's going on in Gemini's life. I need to know. So this is what we're doing, okay? All right, so first off, let's talk about the Ace of Pentacles. All right, let's talk about the Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles came out first. It's ready to go. That means that there is a new way of abundance coming towards you. Divinely guided. There may be some mountains in between this from where you are and getting that abundance. However, I really do feel like this is divinely timed, so take it as it resonates. However, the Ace of Pentacles also means that you are coming into a huge point of abundance. Not just like, oh, here's a coin, you're getting a new job, a promotion, you're getting more money, right? No, it's literally all kinds of abundance. Anything materialistic, anything that you can physically touch, you are getting more of it. So whether that is a new house, whether that is a new pet, whether it's literally everything that you can physically grasp. But again, this is divinely guided. So we do have the Two of Wands. Two of Wands is having everything that you may possibly need, but you are currently looking out and trying to see if the grass is always greener on the other side, right? As told by Ginger theme song. Millennials will know. But, oh my God, I can't get it out of my head. Somebody told me the grass is much greener on the other side. Macy Gray, I think her name is. Oh, love that song, but it's so good. Yeah, so neither here nor there. This being is wearing this red robe, and this red robe means royalty. So they really are up there. You already have this status of people knowing you, you've networked, you've done all of the things, but is the grass greener on the other side? Is it there? Do you want something else? Do you feel fulfilled in the position that you have right now? Do you? Hobbs, lay down right there. All right, the next card is the Eight of Swords. Now, the Eight of Swords is literally the self-sabotage card. You are self-sabotaging. These ropes that are around this being are easy to get off. The fence that is technically around them, there are holes in it. It is super easy to get it out of. But for some reason, they are still stuck. Are you stuck? No, you are not stuck. You can literally get out of this, no problemo. You can literally get out of this whenever you want. However, you feel like people will be upset with you. Your emotions are getting into it because you feel like people are going to be upset, saying, oh, they need you, yada, yada. No. If you're unhappy, you need to get out of there. So if the position that you are currently holding, whether that's in a relationship or whether that is in career or whatever, it doesn't really matter. What matters is, are you happy? Are you fulfilling your purpose? If you are not, there's the door, you leave. It's really as simple as that. And you say, oh, it's very difficult. Oh, it's hard in the beginning, but you know what? You figure it out because you are on top. You are resilient and you can freaking do this. I am not here to sugarcoat this energy, but this energy, your spirit guide is literally like, look, you totally have this opportunity. You're upset right now with what you're doing, and you literally keep doing it anyway. But you are dreaming of the other side. You are dreaming of something new. You think that you can go get it, but you don't move your feet. All right, Gemini, right? That's real. Start moving your feet forward because judgment is coming. And that's not judgment day, Jesus is coming, or judgment day as in you're getting a work assessment done, right? This judgment is on you. Hi friends, just wanted to put a shameless plug in here about my free ebook available on my website, thegalacticsoul.com. It's super easy, and you go to the website, you click the first button that says free ebook, and then you enter all of your information, and bam, the free ebook is right in your inbox. The ebook goes over the basics of mediumship, how to start your journey connecting to the other side, and much, much more. Again, you can go to the website, thegalacticsoul.com, or you can click the link in the pinned comment below for more info. Now, back to the reading. You are judging yourself. You're like, oh, I've created this hole and I can't get out. Nah, you freaking can. You literally can do it. Build steps into the wall and get the hell out of that hole. You literally can do it. I know you can. And you are judging yourself, and you know that when you're 90 years old, on your deathbed, you're going to look back and you're going to be like, oh, I wish I took that opportunity. Oh, I wish I tried that. Oh, I wish I didn't listen to the logical part. I wish I listened to my guides and listened to my spirit in order to really learn what my purpose here, to really learn what I was supposed to do here. We all have free will, right? We can do whatever the heck we want. However, the hard stuff is what we really came here to learn. So if this is the hard thing, guess what? You should take that road. You should take that road because you're judging yourself, and your higher self is literally tooting the horn and is like, hey, listen, I'm giving you all the hints. I'm giving you all the answers. It's very hard, but you got this. You should be listening to this triumph, to this trumpet. And then we have the moon. The moon is beautiful. Reason being, we are looking for that balance. We're looking for that balance between the domesticated side and the wild side. You really need to look into yourself and really see the balance between you and your spiritual being. Overall, the physical part of you, it doesn't really matter. It is the awakening and the expansion of your spiritual self. You are not a human having a spiritual experience. You are a spirit having a human experience. Remember that, Gemini. Find that balance between your wild side and your domesticated side, and that will also help you. Let's see what else we have. All right, Spirit. Anything else for Gemini right now? That was a lot. I don't know if I trust that. That was a lot. If that's supposed to come out, definitely let it come out again. But Spirit, let me go through these again just to make sure that those weren't supposed to come out. Thank you, Spirit, for all of these messages. Sorry, I'm trying to get them. All right, so we have the Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles is working hard for that abundance. You are not going to just automatically be handed it to you. Yes, right? Ace of Pentacles came out. That was the first card. New abundance, divinely timed, lovely, gorgeous. In order to keep that abundance, guess what? You're going to work your ass off, right? You're going to work to the bone to try to get that, keep that abundance coming. But you know what? It's going to come so quickly because of you going hard and doing it that you're going to be able to give back to others. And that's the whole point. That is the point of being here. We are uplifting everyone else as well as ourselves. Really, we need to give back to the community and make sure that you are giving back to the community, whether it's your time, if you can donate, obviously, but really your time and allowing them to see your energy, you as a blessing, right? That is what matters. that good natural energy is really what can change a spirit, right? The last two cards we have here is the Seven of Cups and the Hanged Man. You're looking from a different perspective now once you're in that position, because all of a sudden everything clicks. That's hard in the beginning and you got to keep it going, right? However, one decision is really all that keeps you away from understanding the whole puzzle. Literally, it's like the feeling of literally putting the last piece in a puzzle. That's where you're at right now. That's the feeling that I'm getting. Do you know how crazy it is and how amazing it feels after finishing a 5,000 piece puzzle and you're putting that last piece in and you're like, hell yes, I did it. That times 5,000 is how you're going to feel once you give this opportunity a chance. Once you really feel the purpose behind it, why you're doing this. And when you see that, that's going to come back to you tenfold, because the amount of energy that you're putting into it is literally the amount of energy you're going to get out of it. And the amount of people that you're going to help doing this specific thing, whatever the heck it is, oh my God, you are going to help so many freaking people. And it's overwhelming. It's really overwhelming, but you need to take this first step. You need to take that step and not judge yourself about it, because guess what? It's going to get harder and harder and harder to take that first step if you don't take it right now. Take it as it resonates. I want to know what this is, so definitely comment below and let me know, because this is huge. Let's see what the oracles say. Let's see. Spirit, please tell me what Gemini needs today. Called. Stop. Called. Soul gifts and training. It's time to step up. I literally can't even I can't make this shit up. This is insane as the lights dim. Are you kidding? I cannot. Oh my God, that's crazy. Called soul gifts and training. It's time to Gemini. Step it up. This is your time. And you know what? The grass is greener. The grass is greener on the other side. You have a lot of things, but you know what? Those things are going to roll over into the new thing. Those networking, all of that networking that you did before, that's going to help you now. That's going to help this whole thing happen. Let's see what your listen bitch is. Ooh, you have two. So we're going to share two. Listen, bitch. We're all imposters. Just own it. Don't be scared to keep going. Just own it. Be that person. Say, oh, I don't know this yet. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't really know everything about it yet. Share what you do know. Share what you do know. That's going to help somebody, because somebody else doesn't know. It's really, come on. Listen, bitch, don't let any motherfucker disturb your peace. Also that too. If others are literally dictating your life, guess what? Not for you. All right, Gemini. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, this energy is as it reads now. Obviously, we all have free will. This can change, but definitely do stop back. I do energy readings all the time, so definitely keep that in mind. Subscribe, and definitely let me know what you're thinking down below, because I really want to know what's going on in your life. Thanks, guys.